What's good, Stella King? It's your boy Up Class, and you are now tuned in to the Realest Reaction channel on the tube. I need everyone to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I drop a new video. Don't get punched in the face with thinking that you just see YouTube. This what BMG niggas do. You get big racks, you feel me?
You already know BMG got this city hot. And that's a fact.
You got the city hot. Bow.
BMG got the city hot.
You wanna shoot up a class like a school shooter? Better know my clip like a school.
Today I'm gonna be reacting to 917 Rackz featuring DottyFromBev. Can't Stand the Rain. Oh, somebody had to do this shit. Can't stand the rain.
Going live from the motherfucking hills, man. It's the big Dotty, not the little one. 27 shit, you transgress, we gonna step on it. Y'all know I be rapping.
Hey, loud on the beat.
Rackz. Stepping on puddles full of pain like a boogie. Bitch, I cook crack, I don't bake cookies. Fuck a cap, got the
Stepping on what?
Stepping on puddles full of pain like a boogie. Bitch, I cook crack, I don't bake cookies. Fuck a cap, got the oldest with me and the gang took me. Rackz. It's a creeper that's bullying inside of me, but I creep up with that inside of me. He died with his knocks to irony. Don't know which pill I'ma pop, got variety. I can just walk on the strip, they eyeing me. I rock human races, don't fuck with society. Way too much people around me, that anxiety. Rackz. Way too much people rely on me. Blowing a pack, finally. I'm stuck in the trap, they ain't finding me. Sipping that drink entirely. Rackz. You hear my lyrics, you read in my diary. My life. Make a movie, need parental advisory. Bitch, I'm the boss, ain't no firing. Talk to me wrong on my fire at you. Need some millions to sign it.
Always had kicks, had to get some laces. Wipe it down, I don't leave traces. Niggas took my whole style and traced it. Free my niggas till they out them braces. Me and Rackz like Turk and Brayton. Niggas touch little bro, I'ma spray him. Shots falling, he can take the rain. Taking perkies, I can take the pain. Now they pippin', they can take the name. Playing with me, he gon' take a bullet. How you let your mans die, you ain't pull it. You a goofy, I already knew it. No, I keep a shooter, I ain't gotta do it. Shooting out the Bentley, I don't gotta Buick. Teach him a lesson, thinking that I'm stupid. Play with gangsters, now he licking fluid.
Yo, why everybody talk about doing drills out the Bentley nowadays, bro? What the fuck?
Do it.
I gotta be some blood shit or something.
Shooting out the Bentley, I don't gotta Buick. Teach him a lesson, thinking that I'm stupid. Play with gangsters, now he licking fluid. Smoke a nigga, then I'm smoking Zod. Bro, I just be chillin', shit be therapeutic. I'm still a big hat like I'm Jewish. That boy Medulla, toss it in the sewer. Daddy P put him in his place. I might spit a razor, cut him in his. You the reason that I caught a case. What's the reason you was talking to the J?
Try to learn the facts so they watch your face. Bitch, I got my mask, I can't show no face. I rock Gucci, I'm stepping on snakes. Bitch, I'm Gucci, I wasn't awake. Stop texting me. She a fake for the dick, she expected me. It just means I've trip, no one helping me. Don't you dare go touch my.
No one helping me. This nigga sound like one of the Russian motherfuckers.
For the dick, she expected me. It just means I've trip, no one helping me.
Not Russian, Italian niggas.
Wait, stop texting me. She a fake for the dick, she expected me. It just means I've trip, no one helping me.
Jersey Shore ass nigga.
If you play with mine, niggas playing, I'ma lose my mind. Let the 40 spray and it's gonna take his mind. I ain't trying to argue, I ain't got the time. I ain't really with the tip of tat.
Yeah, I ain't see a nigga walking around with a brush in his pocket since high school. No cap.
The 40 spray and it's gonna take his mind. I ain't trying to argue, I ain't got the time. I ain't really with the tip of tat. I'm just doing what my mother told me. If a nigga hit you, better hit him back. Making up them stories, I'ma get the Mac. Playing with his life, he can't get it back. Like it's born, I get him whacked. Full perky, I get him packed. Too long in the field, had to get a sack. Call my shooter like I'm proud of him. I mean, when you see him, hit him in his back. Fighting for his life, he can see the light. They said shoot a white thick.
I'm proud of him when you see it hit him in his back. Tap that nigga
Shooter
back.
like I'm proud of him. I mean, when you see him, hit him in his back. Fighting for his life, he can see the light. They said shoot a white thinking it was Rackz.
Stepping on puddles full of pain like a boogie. Bitch, I cook crack out.
See the light. They said shoot a white thinking it was Rackz.
Stepping on puddles full of pain like.
That's kind of like what this nigga what's his name said. Max Demon.
A boogie, bitch, I cook crack, I don't bake cookies. Fuck a cap, got the oldest with me and the gang took me. Rackz. It's a creeper that's bullying inside of me, but I creep up with that inside of me. He died with his knocks to irony. Don't know which pill I'ma pop, got variety. Rackz.
I ain't gonna front, they did their thing on this shit. This shit decent. This shit decent. I get a shit at 8. That nigga Rackz look like he working with everybody now, man. He getting his footage, you feel me? Fuck it, do your thing. But I get an 8. Y'all comment in the comment section below and let me know if y'all feel like I rated it too high or rated it too low. It's your boy Upper Class. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you notify every time I drop a new video. If you not subscribed to Stella Gang yet, what you waiting for? Come on, join the squad, man. Stella Gang got the city hot. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you notified every time I drop a new video, man. BMG got the city hot. Y'all niggas know what's going on, man.